Hello everyone. Welcome to the Rabindranath Tagore series. Today we are going to enjoy poem number 10. Here I am going to read the 10th poem of the series. So here it goes. Here is thy footstool and there rest thy feet, where lives the poorest and lowliest and lost. When I try to bow to thee, my obeisance cannot reach down to the depth where thy feet rest among the poorest and lowliest and lost. Pride can never approach to where thou walkest in the clothes of the humble among the poorest and lowliest and lost. My heart can never find its way to where thou keptst the company with the companionless among the poorest, the lowliest, and the lost. The interpretation of this poem can be done in many different ways. It can be seen in the context of God, or love and compassion, or someone who is in seeking the truth in search of a master. So the interpretation is left for the audience to decide, and this is how it goes. Here is thy footstool and there rest thy feet, where lives the poorest and lowliest and lost. So basically this stanza means that you can find God, compassion or love or the master in the place where it is absolutely simple, absolutely unadulterated, up to the ground level, without any sort of superficial things around it. Something that is in its true nature. That's where you find the God, or you find love, happiness, compassion, or the master. When I try to bow to thee, my obeisance cannot reach down to the depth where thy feet rest among the poorest and lowliest and lost. Even when I try to bow down, my surrender, my obeisance, my surrender cannot reach you down to the place where you live. You live with the simplest of things, so my obeisance cannot reach you. Reason is explained in the next stanza. It says, pride can never approach to where thou walkest in the clothes of the humble among the poorest and the lowliest and lost. So the poet says that he is full of pride, he is full of ego, he is full of that superiority. So when he has that sort of frame of mind, there is no scope for love or compassion or God or master. So only those who have surrendered their pride can reach to the feet of God or the master, or attain happiness and compassion. My heart can never find its way to where thy keptst the company with the companionless among the poorest, the lowliest and lost. He further adds on, this is the reason why I cannot internally feel that I can ever reach you, because I am so much of pride, I am so much of ego that holds me from reaching where you are. So this is a very simple, beautiful poem, and I think this can be interpreted in many other different ways than what I just did. But however, you can share your comments and views about this poem, and if you have some comments about my interpretations, please write down in the description below in the comment section. So that will be really wonderful, and thanks for watching.